This is the side panel. There are 2 side panels in every cabinet. Place the side panels flat down, ensuring the side with the connector holes are facing upwards. All ClassicBrand products are built starting with the side panel. Put the dowels into the hole of the side panel. Find the bottom panel. Connect the bottom panel onto the side panel with the 3 holes. Find the kick plate and connect it to the side panel on the floor. Find the top front tension bar. There should be 2 sets of holes in the middle of this bar. Install this on the top front portion of the cabinet. Find the top back tension bar and install it like so. Find the 2 back tension bars and install them to the back side of the cabinet close to the groove. Secure all cam locks. Slide the back panel into the groove. Based on the direction of the blind corner cabinet, it only requires dowels for 2 sets of the holes. In this demonstration, the blind side is on the right. This means we'll put dowels into the holes on the left side. Find the divider bar. Install it between the dowels. Install the remaining side panels and lock all cam locks. Flip the cabinet onto its back. Find the blind panel and use it to cover the right side of the cabinet frame. This creates the blind portion of the cabinet and completes the cabinet frame. Use screws to secure the blind panel. Make sure to secure the screws towards the middle and back portion of the blind panel, as a small portion of the blind panel might be exposed. Attach the hinges onto the cabinet door. Make sure to install the door onto the divider bar and not the left side panel.